We are prepping a room here. The wallpaper's off, we removed that, and now I'm going around and prepping for the primer. And one of the things I've starting to really firmly believe is that you need to go over everything and do some caulking. So for example, here's a wall and you can see there's a crack here. In the cold days, you can put your hand there and you can feel cold air coming through there, especially on exterior walls. So what we're doing is running some paintable latex caulking down through, and you can see we went around here. Gives us a nice clean edge. Now I'm using white because this woodworking is already painted. So we'll be painting both the woodworking and the wall, so the white's fine. And you can see we did this corner, and then down through here we did not do it. So you don't see the nice defined edge. Especially in this corner here, you can see where there's breakout. So when we caulk that, it'll make a nice, really nice seam. Now if we have woodworking that's not painted, like in some of the other rooms, then what I'm using is the clear caulking, like over here, where we do not have painted wood. Pretty dark there, but what I'll do is I'll use the clear caulking. It's white and then it goes clear. So that way, if you're painting here, wherever you put your line, if anything goes over onto the wood, it's going to be clear and it's not going to show anyway. So it gives you a nice definition there. I'm also going around the mop boards. So we're doing all the seams, and you can see here's a seam we did up the wall. And then going around in any place there's cracks, I'm using joint compound to smooth it out. Any holes that need to be filled in, some joint compound. And basically going over the whole wall to make sure there's no rough spots, or very minimal. So it takes a while, but it's a very important part of the process because it really seals things up and gives you a real nice wall afterwards.